Hi guys, Sachin here. Welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you the best solo ad providers for affiliate marketing from Udimi. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be sharing with you who are the best solo ad vendors on Udimi, as well as what are my results, because I have tested most of them and you can see my results. I'm going to be sharing with you my results, that what offer I have used with this solo ad vendors, what kind of results I have got, and I'm going to be literally showing you the best solo ad traffic provider. I'm going to be sharing with you something which, trust me, nobody else, you can find it on YouTube, I can challenge you that nobody on YouTube has ever shared. That is, who is the traffic provider who is giving you results, and I'm going to be sharing with you my results with that specific traffic provider. So stay tuned, my friend. This YouTube video is going to be really worth of your time, and trust me, you're going to be thanking me for sharing this traffic provider. Also, the most important thing is you're going to be saving a lot of money that probably you're wasting on shit traffic providers. Okay, so let's get started. So if you're on Udemy, you can go to find sellers and you're going to be landed on this page. All right, and if you're not on Udemy, I'm going to be putting a link right below this video, and I would highly recommend you to sign up on Udemy. It's a free account that you can sign up on Udemy, and you will also get a $5 off on your first order if you sign up using the link right below this video. Okay, so once you reach out on Udemy, you can click on this find seller and you would come to this page. Now click on this keyword and you're going to be typing this person's name, Indulus. Okay, and you would be coming to this page, and I would highly recommend, I can't stretch enough how important this guy has been in my online affiliate marketing business. Okay, so I'm going to be clicking on this link and I'm going to be showing you how many solo ad I have bought from this guy, and every time I have bought, trust me, even if it is 100 clicks, 200 clicks, I have made sales. So I'm going to be showing you some of my results. So this is my account, this is my name. I'm not faking this video, I don't need to eventually. This is a video I could not be uploading because I don't want to share my secrets. But at the end of the day, I think it's all about giving value to my subscribers. So I thought I should give it something which I'm using for like 2 years. Okay, I guess it was for 2 years I'm using, and I'm going to show you results. So you can see I got sales, and you can see the clicks I have bought. 200 clicks and I got sales. Okay, 500 clicks. You can see every traffic which I have bought from this guy, I have got sales. All right, you can see this results. Look at that. Now almost like 80% or 85% of the time I have made sales. That has been just 1 to 2 times. Maybe you can see over here that I haven't got sales. Maybe because I have promoted the same offer. That because that is something also is a something I want you to share with, that always promote a new offer with this guy. Okay, you can see all this sales. Nobody's gonna share with you. Okay, nobody's gonna share with you, and you can see I'm buying traffic from this guy right from 2019. Okay, so 3rd May 2019. Okay, so I really want you to understand, my friend. Now this is the guy. You can go to this guy and buy traffic from this guy. I don't know what kind of price this guy charges, but if you are using this guy to get traffic, trust me, you're going to be getting some serious results. And I have shown you the results. Now let me show you the proof that I've made money. So this is my warriroplus account. This is my name, Sachin 1. This is one of the offer from Brendan Mays, okay, which I promoted. And you can see this guy's name. I have put the tracking code over here, and you can see over 700 clicks, 36 sales. And look at the EPC. So if you, even if you're paying to this guy $70 for 100 clicks, that is 70 cents per click. At the end of the day, you are making the 30 cents profit, more than 30 cents, maybe 39 cents profit. So eventually, if you're spending $100, you are making more than that. So average EPC is really high. So even if you're paying $1 per click for this guy, it's totally worth. Even then, you are making more than what you have paid for. Okay, so this is the one thing. Another guy which I would recommend is Kuchtim Guga. I think this guy has stopped to sell on Udimi. I don't know. Maybe we could type his name. I don't know, but I guess this guy has stopped. You can see, but this guy he has got terrific traffic. He has got some serious buyers. Okay, so this is one of the guy which I would highly recommend. Then Angelo Sison is another person which is really powerful. Okay, don't go on to the price, but make sure if it is a slight high, you can go to 200 clicks. The minimum is, I think 200 clicks is minimum, $161. Don't look at the price, look at the value you're going to be getting, and look at this thing. 66% of the sales. 100 people have bought, 66 people have made sales from that guy. And one thing which somebody is not even sharing with you, that is something I would gonna be sharing with you. Now, if for example we take Indolus, and I'm going to be going to his profile, Indolus. Now let me show you something which is absolutely phenomenal, and nobody's going to share with you this thing. Okay, this is 77% of the time people have made sale. Every 100 people have bought from Indolus. 77% of the time, 77 people have made sales out of 100. Okay, and this is the recent results. Okay, also there's a time cap on every single solo ad order. So whenever you purchase even 200 clicks or maybe 1,000 clicks, it has to be completed within 100 hours. Okay, so don't worry, it's going to be completed within that 24 to 72 hours max. This guy has a terrific speed, but most important is this number, which a lot of people avoid. They ignore this number. This is a really powerful number. How many percent of the people are getting repeat order? This guy is getting 23% of the people are buying again from Indolus. And why? You can ask yourself why they are buying. Because they have made money. Okay, nobody's gonna buy the second time if he's not making money. If he is making money, then only he's gonna buy from Indolus. Okay, another one, I'm going to show you this number, because make sure the sales percentage is important, but eventually I would say that number, how many times people have purchased, the repeat orders is really important. You can see 29%, which is phenomenal. Most of the guys don't even have more than 15%, but Indolus, Angelo has 29%. So make sure you understand, even if you're paying a lot of money, a big chunk for these guys' traffic, they have some of the best traffic in the business, my friend. Best traffic in the business. So you can try it for 200 clicks, my friend. And you can see, even from Angelo, I had a board and I made sales from it. This was a slow, very less, or I think it was like 150 clicks I bought in the past. Then Daniel Hupert is another great guy. You can see $278, 155 clicks. This was also like 200 clicks or maybe 200 or 300 clicks, or I don't remember exactly. But Daniel is also a great provider. Let me show you Daniel. Okay, I hope I could find him, because most of the people have left Udemy. I don't know, they are selling onto their own website, but I guess Daniel, yes, Daniel is there. So make sure you understand, Daniel is also a really a fantastic solo ad provider. You can see, you can minimum go for like 100 clicks and it's going to cost you 72. But eventually, if you look at the EPC, it's 1.80. So average EPC is 1.80, and you are paying to this guy 72. That, just imagine what kind of return on investment you can get. Now in this case, maybe I was lucky, maybe I had promoted the right offer. So you should be promoting a good offer. That is really important. You just can't promote anything to these guys. So what I'm going to be doing now is showing you which offer you should be promoting, and I highly recommend this Windows offer. So if you come to the Warrior Plus, make sure in the Windows name you type in this one, Elite Media Online, and you can see these guys' offers are really converting really high. You can see the numbers: 20,000 copies sold, 10,000 copies sold, and these have just launched in this August. You can see just launched. This was last year, but 20,000 copies. It's not a small number, my friend. All right. And look at the average sale they are getting is almost over $40. All right. So these are the offer which I would recommend. Another vendor I would recommend is Brandon Mace, which I highly recommend Brandon's offer, my friend. Okay, because Brandon's offer are really something that have made me a lot of money. And you can see over here all of this offer which I have made sales from Brandon Mace, Brandon Mace, Brandon Mace, Brandon Mace. Okay, this was the offer which was also of Brandon Mace. You can see over here. All right, so Brandon Mace is something which I would highly recommend. Type his name like this only in the Windows tab, and you would come to this page. Okay, if you're finding it hard for getting approved for Brandon Mace offer, I'm going to be putting a link right below this video to a special website where you can basically get approved for Brandon Mace offer. If you get Super Funnels offer for $7, and you would get 100% license rights on Super Funnels. Some of the offers you would get approved for. Okay, so I'm going to be putting the bonus to this page. Okay, so I'm going to be giving you a way that you can get approved for Brandon Mace offers. All right, so that is something I want you to know, my friend. Okay, promote this guy's offer, because you're promoting a crap offer. Trust me, even if you buy good traffic from Daniel or Indulus or Angelo or Kuchtim, it's not going to work. It's not going to work. It's always a combination of good traffic and a high converting offer. It's always a combination of good traffic and a high converting offer that results into sales. Okay, so either way, you should have both things correctly connected. Okay, so Indulus is the person I highly recommend, my friend. Please don't experiment. I have bought like 50 cent solos on Udimi. Okay, so don't waste your money. Just go to this guy, buy 200 clicks. Okay, and always promote a new offer. If you're falling on Munchai, there's going to be an offer every week. They're launching. Promote new offers from these vendors, Brandon Mace or Elite Media Online, and you are going to be getting a great results. You can see over here, great traffic these guys are having. And I made a lot of money, my friend, a lot of money with this guy's traffic. And when you buy from Indulus on the regular basis, this guy is going to give you a really good price. Okay, he's a great guy. He's a great communicator. He's a really helpful person, and he knows what kind of traffic should be sending to your offer. He would look at your offer, and probably he's going to give you the best traffic offer. Okay, so that is something I wanted to share in this video for you. Don't experiment, my friend. Go to this guy, buy traffic. And if you want to see how my squeeze page, my thank you page, how I connect my sales funnel with this guy's traffic, comment below so that I can make another video on how to make money using a funnel which is really converting well. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you my squeeze page, I'm going to be showing you my thank you page, and I'm going to be showing you which offer I promote. Okay, that is something. If you are interested, please comment below, and I'm going to be making another video on that topic. Okay, but this video was especially for the best solo ad vendors on Udemy for affiliate marketing, my friend. Okay, so I hope you have got value from this. If you got value, you can click the like button. If you think it was not that worth, you can click the dislike button. But let me know what you didn't like. I hope you didn't have you liked it, but if you think there was something not really nice in this video, please let me know in the comment section that what you didn't like, so that I can improve myself in my next video. All right, thank you so much. Click the link below this video, register to Udemy if you're not on Udemy. If you are on Udemy, then go to this guy, my friend, buy 200 clicks, promote an offer from Brandon Mace or Elite Media Online, and just enjoy the results. Start slowly. You can buy 200 clicks. Don't go and buy 1,000 clicks. No, Start slow. If you're getting results, then scale up. Every single solo ad or order, I repeat, my friend, every single solo ad order, make sure to promote a unique offer. Don't promote the same offer again and again and again. Please make sure. This is something I have learned after buying so many orders from Indolus, my friend. Okay, so you can see over 6 sales, 2 sales, got 5 sales. Okay, and this is something nobody's going to share with you. Okay, so I thought I should come up and share with you. That would really help you in your affiliate marketing business. Alright, so that was my video for the best solo ad vendors for affiliate marketing. See you there in the next video. Thanks for now. Have a great day. Bye-bye.